Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Murali Maths class. So today we will know how to get the value of square root of 2. This value how to get. So we know that square root of 2 is equals to 1.414 approximately. This is the answer we know, okay? And square root of 3 also we know. Square root of 3 is equals to 1.732. These are the values of square root of 2 and square root of 3 up to 3 decimal places. Now we will see how we got this 1.4 answer. 1.414. How we got this? Okay. Yes. So for this we need to apply long division method. That means we will see now square root of 2 by long division method. So the only possible case to know this square root of 2 is by only long division method only we can know. We have to apply long division method. Now observe here, 2 is equals to 2.00000000 and so on. 2 is written as 2.000 and so on. You can write this, we know. This 2 we can write like this. Okay. Now what is meaning of long division method for finding this square root of 2 answer? Okay. So first what we have to do, we have to draw two vertical lines like this. In between these two vertical lines you write 2.000000 like this you write. Okay. Next, after writing like this, first thing what we have to do, we have to draw two vertical lines. In between two vertical lines we have to take 2.0000 and so on you can take. Okay. But here how many decimal places we need? We need 3 decimal places. Then we have to take here after decimal point we have to take 8 zeros should be there, 8 zeros. If you want 3 decimal places there should be 8 zeros. Okay. After this what we have to do, from left hand side, from this side, for every 2 zeros keep the bar. Like this. That's it. For every 2 zeros we have to keep the bar. Next one. Here first what we have? 2 we have. Below 2, is there any perfect square number? Below 2, is there any perfect square number? Yes, we have. 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. So 1 square, no? 1 into 1. Answer is what? 1. 1 into 1. Answer is 1. So now subtract this 2 minus 1, 1. Now here we have decimal point, no? Carry here decimal point. Carry the decimal point there. Okay. Yes. Next, after carrying this decimal point here, 2 zeros we have, no? This 2 zeros, take it down. Okay. Carry those 2 zeros down. These 2 zeros carry down. You will get this becomes now 100. This becomes 100. This becomes 100. Next step what we have to do, here whatever we have the number, no, forget about decimal point, take only the number. What is the number here? 1. 2 times of that, what is the 2 times of this number? 2 times of this number is 2. So write it here, 2. After 2 we have to write one digit here. The same digit we have to write here also. For example, suppose if I take 4, same we have to write 4 here. Now what we have to do? We have to do like this. 2 4 24 24 into 4, multiply 24 into 4, how much we will get? We will get 96. So write here 96. Suppose if I take 5 here and we have to take 5 here, then this becomes what? 25 into 5. 25 into 5, how much we will get? 125 we will get. 125 we will get, but here we have only 100, so we cannot take 5 there. So maximum is 4 only we can take. Okay, then subtract this. 100 minus 96, how much we will get? We will get 4. Next, what we have to do? We have to carry these 2 zeros. Carry here 2 zeros. This becomes 400. Again the same process. Forget about this decimal point. What is the number here? 1 4 14. So we have 14 here. 2 times of 14 is what? 2 times of 14 is what? 28. Right here 28. After 28 we have to write one digit. The same digit we have to write here. So I am writing here 1. I am writing 1. If I write 1 here, here also I need to write 1. Then what we have to do? 281. 281 into 1. We have to multiply like this. 281 into 1. What is the answer? 281. Right here. Okay, 281 I wrote here. Now do subtraction. 9, 1, 1. So 119 we got. So again the same process. 2 zeros you carry here. It becomes what? 11,900. Okay. So opposite to this 11,900, what we have to write here? Observe this. What is the number? Forget about decimal point. What is the number? 141. That is 141. 141 2 times. 141 2 times is 282. Write one digit here. Same digit here we have to write. I am taking 4. So 4 you take here. Then multiply like this now. What we have to do? We have to do 28. See here 2824 into 2824 into this 4. We need to multiply this. 2824 into 4. How much will I get? 4 4 16. 4 2s 8 9. 4 8 32. 4 2s 8 11. So 11,296. 11,296. Do subtraction. 4 0 6. 604. Now last 2 zeros you carry here. See, observe here. These 2 zeros I carried here. These 2 zeros I carried here. These 2 zeros I carried here. Last 2 zeros we carry here. Okay. So we will get how much we will get now? 60,400. 60,400. Okay. Again the same process. 1414 we have the number. What is the 2 times of this 1414? We will get 28. Then one digit, the same digit here. So I am taking 2. That means what? This meaning is what? 28282 into 2. 28282 into this 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 5. 2 8s are 16. This is 5. So 56,564. 56,564. Subtraction 6. This is 3. 8. 3. Now leave now. What we got? We got 1.4142. We need only 3 decimal places. 1.414. That's it. We have 4 decimal places, but we need only 3 decimal places. 1.414. Suppose here if it is 2 is there, no 2. If it is more than 5 or 5. Suppose here in the place of 2 if it is 5, then what we have to do, before number, no, before digit, no, we have to add plus 1 for that. This becomes 5. So leave now. 1.414. Root 2 answer is what? 1.414. The same method you can apply for root 3 also. Root 3, root 5, root 7, all this we can apply the same as it is. Okay, thank you.